Namaste students, I am Dr. Manu Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women University, Jaipur. And in this session, I'll be discussing with you methods of settlement of industrial disputes. There are several type of method which have been provided by the state government, or we can say by the Indian government, or through this particular through several acts. But today we will be discussing the one particular act, that is the Industrial Dispute Act, through which there are certain tools, certain mechanisms have been provided, certain remedies have been provided to the employees. As we all know, to maintain harmony, to maintain a cordial relationship between the employer and employee is very much and paramount requirement. As we all know, if in some country, if there is an unrest between the employer and employee, so we cannot expect any growth within that country. So a happy and harmonious environment is very much important. So to maintain the harmony, to maintain the happiness in the between this relationship employee, there are certain remedies if some unrest has been happened. So, to ensure cordial labor management relations and to achieve industrial harmony, the following methods of settlement have been provided by the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. The first and foremost methods I have already discussed in my previous video, that is the collective bargaining, and the second is voluntary arbitration, third one adjudication, and fourth one is conciliation. So first and foremost, I will be giving you a little bit insight about the collective bargaining, as I have already shared my thought over this particular topic in my previous video. So collective bargaining means there is a negotiation in one of the method of there is a, or another word we can say, there is a one method of negotiation between the employer and employee and trade unions. It plays a significant role in promoting labor management and ensuring industrial harmony. And there's the person, the credit goes to that particular jurist who coined this word, and the name is Sidney versus and Webb. He was the person who coined this word collective bargaining in 1897. And in simple word, collective bargaining means bargaining between the employer or group of employee and a bona fide labor group. So there is one of the method to resolve the issues if it has been occurred between the employer and employee, and the second one method and second mechanism to resolve the issue, there is a conciliation. So conciliation, we can say, is a process by which a third party persuaded the parties to the industrial dispute to come up in an amicable settlement. Such party is called a conciliation officer or board of conciliation, and where it has been mentioned under section 4 and 5 of Industrial Dispute Act 1947, appointment of conciliation officer and the conciliation board and conciliation members respectively. And the third mechanism of to resolve the dispute between employer and employee is a voluntary arbitration. So expression arbitration simply means the settlement or determination of a dispute outside of the court. Here arbitration means when we determine and when we decide that we're gonna resolve our issues outside of the court. So the parties to the dispute without going to the court may refer dispute or matter in front of the arbitration court. So the decision of the parties which is binding is called the award. The decision which have been after hearing of the parties and at the end of the proceeding is called the award. Okay, and where it has been mentioned, so section 10 of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 confers on the party power to enter on an arbitration agreement. And the last resort, or we can say remedy, which can be provided to the employee to resolve their issues, there is a adjudication. So when an industrial dispute could not be settled either through bi-party negotiation or through the conciliation machinery or through collective bargaining or any other sort, so this is the final and last remedy which is in the hand of people who has some issues or agendas to settle their dispute. So there is a compulsory adjudication which says the government refer to a statutory ordination tribunal. So section 7, section 7A, section 7B of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides the constitution of labor courts and industry tribunal and labor tribunal respectively to resolve their issues, to resolve their dispute if something has happened between the employer-employee relationship. Thank you, students. I hope this session will be helpful for you. Thank you.